What's up, everybody? It's me, Elijah, coming at you with a trade review today. Just wanted to go over PZZA. So this morning I saw PZZA was gapping up a good bit. In the first minute, it seemed like not too much was happening. Couldn't break that pre-market high. I wanted to get short right here. I thought about it. I looked at it, then I saw it drop considerably. And I was like, oh man, I missed it. And then I thought, I'll wait. We'll see how this does against the VWAP here on the 1 minute. So I waited a little bit. I saw there was some volume, but it wasn't moving very much. So I got in. And, it popped a little bit. But then slam, slam, slam. I got out some right here in the first minute. And got a little impatient here. I saw it dip. And then I thought, oh, it might come back, it might retest. I just wanted to get out because that was a good trade, and I missed out on a bit, but I'm happy with this trade. And that was it, one and done. I was done by 9:34, even before the first 5 minutes. So that's all I wanted to share, and hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you.